You spent a full work week building your custom GPT. You refined the prompts, tested the conversation flows, and uploaded the knowledge base. It does exactly what you need it to do. But right now, anyone who obtains your sharing link can use the tool for free. OpenAI's native store pays roughly 3 cents per conversation, and the platform provides no way to limit access to specific paying users. Beyond the revenue problem, your instructions are exposed. A user can bypass your intended logic with a single sentence, asking the model to reveal your custom instructions and knowledge files. We are going to close that loophole. In under 5 minutes, you can implement a no-code email and password authentication wall that blocks unauthorized users before they can interact with the model. To begin, you need an active custom GPT that you have edit access to, and a GPT Guardian system account to generate your credentials. This layout shows the workspace you need to set up. Position your developer dashboard on the left side of your screen and open your ChatGPT Builder interface on the right. Organizing your workspace this way allows you to verify each security step in real time. This setup is the first requirement for converting a public resource into a gated product. Step 1 is defining your product. Inside your developer dashboard, create a new GPT profile and assign it a name to track your users. When you trigger the Generate command for your new profile, the system prepares the specific security components required to protect your GPT. The dashboard will output 3 specific items: code block 1, code block 2, and a downloadable knowledge file. Click the download icon next to the knowledge file and save it to your desktop. You will need it for the final configuration step. These 3 components provide the raw materials for your authentication wall. Now turn your attention to the right side of your screen. Click the Configure tab inside your ChatGPT edit window to access the backend settings. Copy code block 1 and code block 2 from your dashboard and move to the Instructions field in the ChatGPT Builder. Paste both code blocks at the very top of the instructions box. Ensure your existing instructions remain intact below them, as deleting your original work will break the GPT's core functionality. This block diagram illustrates the priority of the code. By pasting it at the top, you create an authentication layer that intercepts all user inputs before they ever reach your core logic. This sequence ensures the security protocol runs first, preventing unauthorized users from reaching the prompts that define your tool. Scroll down past the instructions in the Configure tab until you reach the Knowledge section. Click Upload Files and select the security knowledge file you saved to your desktop earlier. Check your screen against this image. The file must appear with a green check mark to confirm it is successfully attached to your GPT's knowledge base. Skipping this upload will leave the locking mechanism disabled. The code you pasted earlier relies on this specific file to function. While the code acts as the structure of the lock, this file provides the operational data to enforce it. Together, they secure the GPT against unauthorized use. Return to your developer dashboard on the left and open the subscriber list for your new GPT product. Click Add Subscriber and enter a test email address and password to create your first authorized credential. As shown in this chart, your subscriber metric will jump to 1, and the email address will appear in your active list. This list gives you administrative control over access. If you need to revoke a user's permissions, deleting the credential from this dashboard removes their access immediately. Controlling this list gives you the authority to dictate who enters the GPT and who is restricted from using your intellectual property. To verify the system, save and publish your updates. Copy your sharing link and open it in an incognito browser window. Attempt to use the tool by typing a basic message like hello and pressing enter. The GPT stops the conversation. It will refuse to process your prompt and will instead require an authorized email and password to proceed. Enter the test credentials you created in Step 4. Once verified, the GPT will lower the security wall and resume normal conversation. By proving the authentication layer blocks unauthorized access, you've established the technical foundation required to sell access to your work and manage your GPT as a secure software product.